Today, we're going to talk about a kitchen appliance that has been gaining a lot of popularity lately, the air fryer toaster oven. Now, if you're someone who loves the convenience of a toaster oven or a countertop oven, but also wants to enjoy the amazing benefits of air frying, then this is the appliance for you. Now, some of you might be wondering, what's the big deal about air frying? Well, let me break it down for you. Air frying is often compared to cooking with convection, but it actually takes things to a whole new level. You see, air fryer toaster ovens have a powerful heating element and a large, quick-moving fan that work together to cook your food quicker and make it extra crispy. It's like having a mini tornado of hot air swirling around your food, creating that perfect crunch we all love. But here's the best part. Air fryer toaster ovens aren't limited to just air frying. Nope, they can do so much more. Compared to standalone air fryers, these bad boys offer a whole range of cooking tasks. You can use them to toast your bread, bake a delicious batch of cookies, roast a juicy chicken, or even broil some mouth-watering steaks. The possibilities are endless. Now, let's get started. All the links mentioned in this review video are in the description below. At number 5, we're going to talk about the best air fryer toaster oven for easy storage. If you're like me and love the convenience of an air fryer, but don't want it taking up too much space in your kitchen, then you're in luck. The Foodi digital air fry oven has some incredible features that make it perfect for those of us who value both functionality and storage space. One major advantage of the Foodi air fry oven is its large air fry rack. This means you can cook large batches of food all at once, saving you time and effort. Plus, it's super easy to use, with a control panel that's straightforward and user-friendly. No complicated settings or confusing buttons here. But what really sets this air fryer toaster oven apart is its storage capability. The Foodi air fry oven folds up, making it incredibly easy to store when you're not using it. This is a game changer if you have limited counter space or simply want to keep your kitchen looking neat and tidy. And the best part, when it's folded up, you can easily access the bottom of the oven for cleaning. No more struggling to reach those hard-to-clean spots. The main drawback of the Foodi air fry oven is that it can't fit a whole chicken or other large roasts. So, if you're planning on cooking those kinds of dishes frequently, you might need to consider an alternative option. However, if you primarily use your air fryer for smaller items like wings, fries, or toasting bread, then this won't be an issue at all. It delivers crispy and evenly cooked results when air frying wings and fries. And when it comes to toasting bread, it passes with flying colors as per its reviews online. The food comes out golden and delicious. To sum it up, the Foodi digital air fry oven is a fantastic choice if you're looking for an air fryer toaster oven that's easy to store and doesn't compromise on performance. Its large air fry rack allows you to cook in large batches. It's a breeze to use, and its folding design makes it a winner in terms of storage convenience. Just keep in mind that it might not be suitable for cooking larger roasts or whole chickens. At number 4, we're diving into the world of large-capacity air fryer toaster ovens, and we've got a real gem to talk about, the Breville Joule Oven Air Fryer Pro. First up, it's app-connected and voice control enabled. Yep, you heard that right. Breville has taken things to the next level by allowing you to connect this beauty to your smartphone via their app. And if that's not enough, you can even control it with your voice. How cool is that? Next up, we have the intuitive controls. Breville has really nailed it in the user-friendly department with this one. The control panel is super easy to navigate, making your cooking experience a breeze. No more fumbling around with confusing settings or buttons. Just a seamless and enjoyable cooking process. And now, the unique autopilot setting. This feature sets the Joule Oven Air Fryer Pro apart from the competition. Imagine being able to cook a delicious rotisserie chicken without even lifting a finger. With the autopilot setting, this appliance takes care of everything for you, automatically adjusting the temperature and settings to achieve that perfect, mouth-watering result. It's like having a personal chef in your kitchen. Now, let's talk about the partnership that Breville has with Chef Steps, the brilliant minds behind the Joule sous vide. This collaboration has given birth to an app that's loaded with air fryer recipes and instructional videos. It's a treasure trove of culinary inspiration, right at your fingertips. And with the Joule Oven Air Fryer Pro, you can follow along with those recipes and videos, ensuring that you're creating delicious meals every single time. One final feature worth mentioning is the abundance of accessories that come with the Joule Oven Air Fryer Pro. Breville really spoils you in this department. You'll receive 2 wire racks, a broiling rack, a baking pan, a pizza pan, and an air frying, dehydrating rack. With all these options at your disposal, your culinary creativity knows no bounds. At number 3, we're going to talk about the most versatile air fryer toaster oven on the market right now, the COSORI 12-in-1 air fryer toaster oven combo. This thing is spacious enough to handle all your cooking needs, but it won't take up too much counter space. It's a win-win situation. Next up, we have the intuitive controls. The COSORI air fryer toaster oven combo is user-friendly, making it super easy to navigate through the different functions. You won't find yourself scratching your head trying to figure out how to work this thing. And now, let's talk about the most important aspect, performance. We put this air fryer toaster oven to the test, and it excelled in every category. Whether you're air frying, baking, or broiling, the results are top-notch. Crispy wings and fries, check. Perfectly toasted bread, check. Evenly browned and level cake, check. It even managed to impress us with its broiling function, crisping up our test steak to perfection. To make things even better, the COSORI air fryer toaster oven combo comes with some high-quality accessories. You'll get an extra large baking, broiling pan, an air fryer rack, and a rotisserie spit for all your chicken and roast needs. They really went above and beyond to provide you with everything you need to unleash your culinary skills. The only downside we found is that the air fry and some other functions require preheating. This means you'll have to wait a bit longer before you can start cooking. For example, wings took about 20 minutes longer to cook compared to other air fryer toaster ovens as per reviews, plus an additional 6 minutes for preheating. But trust us, the results are totally worth the wait. Crispy, juicy, and so delicious. At number 2, we're going to talk about the best value air fryer toaster oven on the market. And the one we're going to focus on is the Hamilton Beach 31523 Sure Crisp Air Fryer Toaster Oven. One of the major advantages is its small and compact size. It doesn't take up too much counter space, which is great if you have a smaller kitchen or limited space. Another big pro is the price. At under $125, this model offers excellent value for money. One downside is that it features mechanical dials instead of digital controls. While they are easy to operate, they may not be as precise as digital controls. So, if you prefer more precise temperature and time settings, this might be a drawback for you. It features a basic control panel with 3 knobs, making it user-friendly for anyone. Despite its small footprint, it can still accommodate a 12 inches frozen pizza, which is a bonus. This appliance excels at evenly melting pizza and toasting bread. Unlike some other models, it is able to achieve consistent browning and crispness. Wings and fries also turn out perfectly crispy and evenly cooked. When you purchase this air fryer toaster oven, you'll get a metal mesh basket for air frying, a broil rack, and a baking tray. It also includes a 30-minute timer, a convenient stay-on setting, and an auto shut-off feature for added safety. Finally, coming in at number 1, we're going to talk about the best overall air fryer toaster oven on the market. And that title goes to the Cuisinart TOS65 Digital Convection Toaster Oven Air Fryer. One of the biggest advantages of the Cuisinart TOS65 is its excellent air frying capability. It produces crispy and delicious results, making it perfect for all your favorite air-fried dishes. Plus, it cooks quickly and powerfully, saving you time in the kitchen. No one likes waiting around for their food to be ready. Another great feature is that it comes loaded with preset cooking temperatures and times. This makes it super convenient, especially if you're new to air frying or toaster ovens. The Cuisinart TOS65 takes the guesswork out of cooking and ensures consistent and reliable results. One thing to keep in mind is that this air fryer toaster oven cooks quicker than you'd expect. While this can be a pro for some, it might catch you off guard if you're not prepared. So, be sure to keep an eye on your food and adjust your cooking times accordingly. The other con is that the control panel can be a little tricky to use initially. It might take some time to get used to the settings and functions. However, once you familiarize yourself with it, you'll be able to navigate through the controls with ease. Overall, the Cuisinart TOS65 Digital Convection Toaster Oven Air Fryer has consistently topped our best list for years, and for good reason. It's a reliable and efficient kitchen appliance that delivers outstanding results. This air fryer toaster oven has proved to be the quickest when it comes to air frying, without the need for additional preheat time. It makes chicken wings super crispy in just 20 minutes and cooks fries in even less time. The power of this appliance is truly impressive, and its results rival those of the best standalone air fryers on the market. Cleanup is a breeze with the Cuisinart TOS65. It uses a basket that sits atop the broiling pan to air fry, preventing grease from dripping onto the heating element. Plus, all the accessories are dishwasher safe, making your life easier. Not only does it excel in air frying, but it also performs exceptionally well as a toaster oven. It toasts bread evenly and effectively, and it bakes cakes quickly. It even handles frozen pizza and broiled steak like a champ, cooking them in no time. That's all we had for today. Check out the links in the description for pricing and availability. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe if you found this video helpful.